Hi, I'm Holly Romanowski with Century 21 Advantage. Come on in to 4809 West 49th Street. What I love about this house is the entry, number one. Cool shiplap on the walls, a big barn door with a hall closet. This is a nice open living room, dining, and kitchen. This living room has great vaulted ceilings with lots of light coming in up there through those newer windows. And then over here to the kitchen, look at these cool light fixtures. So many windows, so much light coming in, that huge deck out there. And then the kitchen has nice quartz countertops, beautiful. And two-tone cabinets, which is, 2022. All stainless steel appliances and a double oven. Now let's check out the upstairs. Come on into the primary bedroom. It's so neat up here, it's so private. It's got some neat wood on the walls, walk-in closet, its own bathroom, and then look at this balcony. Private balcony, you could sit out here in the morning and drink your coffee. Let's check out the bathroom. Really nice wood look tile floors and this cool rock tile in the shower. I love it. Let's go downstairs. We've got two bedrooms on the main floor. This one, very nice. Newer windows, nice wood floors throughout the main floor. And then there's a double closet in there as well. Bedroom number two, right over here. Look at this cool double bunk bed that could also be included in the purchase. Double closet in here as well. And again, nice new windows. There's also a main floor bathroom right over here. It's got those nice wood tile floors as well. And this cool Bluetooth speaker vent. Here we are downstairs in this huge family room. I love, it's got a walkout to the big backyard. And then over here, we've got a huge bedroom. You know how big this is. Really big windows as well, plus a walk-in closet. There's also a full-size bathroom with an updated vanity and flooring. In addition, there's two big storage rooms that you could use your imagination, make it what you want. Flex rooms. You've got to check out this huge deck. Plus, there's the balcony off the main bedroom. Let's go downstairs. To me, this would be a great place to entertain friends, have a bunch of kids over. You got a play set ready to go. Look at the size of that deck. You can get lots of chairs up there, lots of entertaining going on. This is actually the biggest house in the neighborhood with the biggest lot. Pretty cool. Now check out this video tour.